This is the view I get to wake up every single morning. As you can see behind me here on the Gold Coast. And most mornings I can stand right here with my coffee and watch traffic. Down below there's cars everywhere, people bumper to bumper, a full sign lit up everywhere, people circling the same block for 20 minutes looking for parks. I used to be one of them, not anymore. Now I've got NAVEE ST3 Pro scooter and I'll take this down with me. It folds down, I can take it anywhere I want, unfolds it, picks it back up. It really is amazing. Hi everyone, Andy from MrYouWho. Who tested for you? MrYouWho. Real testing, real demos, real reviews, and real results. Not in a studio. And out here, we're on the Gold Coast, where I actually live and ride. This little machine just got me past all that traffic. Is a NAVEE ST3 Pro electric scooter. And I've spent the last couple of weeks riding it absolutely everywhere. Today, I'm taking along the Nerang River with me through the streets of surface, out on a trip up the coast, on my real morning commute, and out after dark. I'm gonna unbox it, ride it, throw it at a hill, show you the app, and show you exactly where it lands. I've owned a handful of scooters over the years, and guys, I have to say it early, this one is a different game. If you're new here, hit subscribe and notification bell. We do real world testing every single week. Links and discount codes are in the description below. And giveaway running right now. Links always down there. Now, before I get it rolling properly, let me back up to the very start, because the unboxing already told me where the money went. Open the box, and you got the scooter, the charger, the manual, that's it. A couple of screws, 5 minutes, and you're riding. But the moment you pick it up, you understand the money. This is high-strength steel frame, and your hands tell you exactly that straight away. There's no creak, no flex, no hollow plastic feeling. 25.3 kilos of proper machine. When I lay my weight into it, nothing gives. It feels squared off and planted the way something you're about to do 30 kilometers an hour in. Absolutely should. And here's a clever bit for a frame this tough. Watch how it folds. There's a latch, I drop the stem, it hooks down the rear, and that's it. Flat, done in seconds. Straight into the boot, which is exactly how it got here today. No wrestling it, no finding the angle. Same story when I side it in the cargo bay of the RV. Strong enough to trust, small enough to take anywhere. Right guys, let's go and take it for a ride. And I'll start on the Nerang River path, because this is where the ST3 Pro first made this big impression on me. If you've walked or ridden this path in the Gold Coast, you know it's not a billiard table. You got the joins in the concrete, those little lips where the slabs have lifted, tree roots pushing up underneath, rough patches everywhere. On most scooters, every one of those hits comes straight up through the bars in your wrists and through your legs. But watch what it does. As you can see, I'm rolling right over the lot, and it just swallows them up. That's a dual dampening arm. Suspension, front and rear, and honestly guys, it's a whole story of this scooter. If you're getting close to it as well, you can still take a bump, and the actual arm flexes, and it takes away before it even reaches me. The 10-inch tyres are helping, no question, but suspension doing a heavy lifting. So I've ridden this whole stretch of the river and my hands aren't buzzing, my knees aren't complaining. That's worth more to me than any number printed on the side of a box. This is MrYouWho, and we do things a little differently. We don't review products in a studio, we test them in the real world. Here on the beach, at the gym, here on the water, while exercising, driving around, whether I'm running here on the Gold Coast, out and about, so you don't have to. Real world testing, real reviews, real results. Subscribe, hit notifications, and check out our giveaways. Link is always in the description. And who tests it for you? MrYouWho. Now here's the thing nobody warned you about. The moment I opened up, let me show you the acceleration. And I'll be honest with you, because this has generally caught me out. The first time I stepped back and squeezed the throttle on, this thing took off. It really does kick. And that's the thing, it doesn't just build up, it just goes. That's 350 watts of max power right there. And it's not a patient machine. So my advice, hand on heart, ease onto that throttle the first few rides. Get to know it, because it'll launch quicker than your brain expects. You don't want that surprise when you're not ready for it. But once it's in your hands and you understand it, guys, it's the best feeling on this whole scooter. You think, go, and you've already gone. Gets to the top, it sits there. I've seen a few reviews claiming this thing is slow off the mark. Guys, to be honest, I've no idea what they're riding. Because mine flat out launches, it just goes bang. And you get 3 ride modes to dial the power to your mood, which makes a real difference to your day. Double click the power button and you roll through them. So to start with, turn it on, you've got Eco mode. So Eco is your genuine gentle cruise. It keeps it sensible and it's a mode that unlocks massive range. Standard sits in the middle, a touch more urgent, but still nicely controlled. And honestly, that's where I live most of the time. Then there's Sports. And Sport is the one that hands you the full punch off the line and runs you up top speed. Here in the Gold Coast, guys, we keep it legal to 25 kilometers an hour, and that's generally plenty for cutting through surface or along the esplanade. So it's your call. One button, a lazy roll beside the water in Eco, or let it off the leash in Sport. But let me bring you to my actual morning run now, because this is the everyday problem the ST3 Pro quietly kills. Now I use a gym over in Surfers Paradise. To actually drive along there, it's a bit of an annoying trip because the road gets full of people, construction noise, it just happens. To stop in traffic, when I use a scooter, I don't have to worry about it. Literally, I jump on it. I can ride straight along that path all the way to Surfers, to Broadbeach, down towards Burleigh, and it's so easy. And that's the brilliant thing about it.
The one thing I love about the NAVEE ST3 Pro scooter is being able to ride it in one of the most beautiful places in the world. As you can see, you can hear the beaches there behind me. Look at that bike path down there along there. So we showed you riding along there. Over the background there as well, we have a park. I don't know if you guys can see. Over there's a park we rode through as well. And it really is a beautiful place to be able to try a scooter. But that's the other thing, with trying a scooter, you need to make sure it actually does work very well. So whether you're going through the pass, riding on the beach, which I don't suggest that you do, riding across grass, it's important to have a good scooter that's got lots of give in it. And a NAVEE ST3 Pro really is good. So hope you enjoyed us riding around and showing you how the Gold Coast actually works.
And that's also part of the feature as well, because it's got safety built into every part of it. Braking first, and there's a triple setup working for you here. A front drum brake, a rear disc brake, and a rear EABS electronic braking system all together. It's controlled, no drama, and no snaking the back out from underneath me. And underneath that, there's a TCS traction control system managing my grip for me. So on one of those damp Gold Coast mornings down by the water, it's not stepping out and giving me a fright. The tyres are 10-inch tubeless, self-sealing. So there's a puncture-resistant layer built right in, fewer flats and fewer ruined rides. And the whole thing is IPX5 weather rated. So a bit of coastal drizzle, a wet path, doesn't fizzle it at all. It's built to get rained on, just go dunking it in the Broadwater. Speaking of the Broadwater, guys, let me take you along it, because this is where the range generally blew me away.
So the great thing, as you can see as we're riding here, is the bumps. It's the shock absorbers take all the bumps as you're riding along, which means you don't feel it all. As you can see, as I'm bouncing here, look at that. It really does absorb all the shocks, which makes it a very, very pleasant ride. And it is quite stable as well. You don't feel like you're ever going to come off too. So a good, stable ride. We got the 2 brakes there as well, which is great. So keep on riding along.
The 48-volt smart battery, that's 596 watt hours, 12.75 amp hours, gives 75 kilometers on eco. Sit with that for a second. That's a week of short commutes done in one charge, or a full weekend of cruising the coast without a second thought. There's no range anxiety on this thing. I filmed this review riding all over the Gold Coast, and not once have I looked down worried about where the next charge is coming from. There's a smart BMS in there, guarding the battery too, overcharge protection, short circuit protection, overheat protection, so you can leave it on for a long term and trust it, not like other scooters that you hear about. And when it does need topping up, it's around 10 hours from flat. So I put on charge overnight and it's full and ready for me next morning. Now let me find a hill, guys, because this is exactly where the cheap ones expose themselves. There's a proper climb here and I'm taking it from the very bottom. No runner. Here we go. Watch it dig in. It's rated to hand up to 20% grade, and it's 1350 watts, means it does not sag and die halfway and leave me walking. Holds its pace, drags you right at the top, and keeps it going like the hill was never there. And that, guys, is what real power does on Australian hills.
So just rode up the hill just then, as you could see, accelerated right up the hill. And the thing is, this is very, very powerful. Now, it's locked at 25 kilometers an hour because I'm based in Australia, but it can go a lot quicker. But as you can see, it's a beautiful view right now here along the water now. So there is a scooter here at the moment, and here we are at Broadwater in the Gold Coast as well. It's a beautiful place to actually film. And as you can see, there's a lot more about it there. So incredible place to be scootering.
Time for the app, because this is where the ST3 Pro generally gets clever. It's a NAVEE smart app, pairs straight to your phone, and the feature I've fallen for is AirLock, the auto unlock smart key. Watch this, I walk up to my scooter with my phone and it unlocks itself. I walk away and it locks itself back up again. No keys, no codes, no fumbling around. And it's got Find My Apple built right in. So the scooter lives on a network like a set of AirPods or your keys. I can see exactly where it is at any moment. As a theft deterrent and just a peace of mind, that is probably brilliant.
Okay, so now the great thing with the NAVEE ST3 Pro is the actual using the app, which we've got in front of us here. Now the app helps add a lot more to the scooter. Now you can see on there you've got remaining mileage of 42 kilometers, 56%. Your driving record there, 15 kilometers mileage, 40 kilometers average speed. You can lock the scooter by turning that goes off, put it back on. You got your light settings, you can have your tail light on, auto sensing headlight. You've got energy recovery, so you can make it on different settings. You've got unit settings, the whole bit, and you've also got more features there. So you can put on the ambient lights so the lights come on, anti-slip, overspeed control, and more importantly, find my scooters on here as well. So all these features you can use to do it. There's them all too if you want to buy stuff, which you don't want to do. Service as well, about how to service it. and also a bit about where you're located as well. So NAVEE ST3 Pro app is very good to be able to use the scooter.
There's bright, clean display on the scooter itself, so your speed and battery is sitting right there in front of you on your ride. Now guys, let me talk about comfort, because I've been on this thing for hours at a time filming. Between the dual damping arm suspension, soak up the road, and those 10-inch tyres underneath me, I'm not just getting beaten up out here. The grip is nicely in a hand. The deck gives you proper room to plant your feet, and it'll carry up to 120 kilos of payload. So this is a sturdy, grown-up ride. You'll happily take a heavier rider, plus a load of backpack to shopping, whatever you've got. It's not a kid's toy, guys. I put real weight on it, and it doesn't so much as flinch. So how easy is this actual ride? This is a scooter you've mastered in about 2 minutes. Step on it, give it a kick, get rolling, ease onto the throttle, and away you go. And watch this. It holds a steady speed for a few seconds, and cruise control just kicks in. On a long straight run down the Esplanade, that is a gift. No thumb fatigue, just cruising. Folding, carrying it, parking it, all dead simple. The only thing I'll say one more time, and I'll keep saying it till it sticks, respect the acceleration in the early days. It's strong. Once you've got the feel of it, the whole thing is effortlessly, and I just turned off just then. And now let me take you out at night along the path there at Surface Paradise, one of my favourite ways to ride this thing. The path along the water after dark, the light surface glowing in the water, and the ST3 Pro is properly kitted out for it. You've got a bright headlight up front, a rear tail light, turn indicators built right into it, and ambient side lighting running along it. So I'm lit up and visible to drivers and pedestrians from every angle. I can see exactly where I'm heading. Riding on the Gold Coast at night on this is honestly one of the nicest things I've done filming a review. It really is beautiful. And also, as you guys see, I saw it at the Broadwater and the parklands. It really is beautiful.
As you can see, we've been riding over night time with the scooter, and the thing I love about it is how great it is. Now, so with the lighting, as you can see, is really, really good. It has different coloured lights so people can see you coming. You've got the brake light. You've also got the blinkers as well here. I mean, look how bright these are as well. You can see if you're going to be turning, which is a great plus. The headlight is also very, very bright too. Makes people see you coming. And all in all, it's a great one for riding for night time, because you want to make sure people can see you. You also want to make sure you can see where you're going. If you look over there with the light, if you turn around just over there, look how bright that is. So you can see over there, see all the, you can see that? That's about 20 meters away. It's a great scooter for night riding.
The ride is a headline, no contest. The dual damping arm suspension generally changes what a scooter feels like. Smooth, planted, uncomfortable over everything I threw under it. The acceleration is the second thing. Fast, sharp, and way ahead of what I expected walking in. The build quality is a proper standout. The high-strength steel frame feels premium trustworthy in a way most scooters don't. The range wipes out the worry, the brake and traction control feels safe, and the app with air locking and Find My is genuinely well thought through and folds down flat to go anywhere I go. I'm not perfect side, and here's the honest part. The power is so strong that you have to respect it when you first hop on. It accelerates hard, and it can kick under you if you're not ready for it. That's not a flaw, it's a feature you've got to learn. Give it a few rides, ease into the throttle, and it goes from surprising to brilliant. And the charge time's around 10 hours. So this is a plug and play overnight scooter rather than a quick splash and dash top up. With up to 75 kilometers of range on tap, you're very rarely caught short. And it's worth knowing NAVEE Australia stand behind it properly. Free shipping right across Australia, a 30-day refund policy, and a 1-year warranty. That's real confidence behind a kit. So guys, after riding around the beautiful Gold Coast, what do I think about NAVEE ST3 Pro? Well, I rode along the Nerang River, Surface, the Broadwater, Southport, Surface Paradise, and under lights at night. Where does it land? So I've owned other scooters, and this is on a level. It's powerful, it's beautifully built, it rides like a dream, and it's got the smart features and safety to back every bit of it up. If you want one scooter that does a whole lot and feels premium doing it, this is the one. Now guys, if you found this useful, hit like and subscribe. We test out everything out in the real world, in the most beautiful places on the planet, so you don't have to. Links and discount code in the description. Giveaways running right now. Real testing, real demos, real reviews, real results. Who tests it for you? MrYouWho. And I'll see you in the next one.